So many people have missing teeth, decayed teeth, or even had all their teeth removed, and all they've been told is that they're gonna need dentures. Here at Amazing Dental Solutions, we have some options for you. We have the All-on-X. The All-on-X allows us to build a full set of teeth on just a few implants and allow you to smile and confidently bite into your food. Works a lot better than dentures. It keeps you from losing your bone long term, and it also allows you to be able to smile, eat, chew with confidence. You do not have to use glue. You do not have to use paste and powders. All those things are things of the past. Very, very comfortable procedure and a very comfortable prosthesis. It's something that can give you a natural feel, the ability to eat like you have teeth again. It's fixed in your mouth, just like your natural teeth. So dentures, like I tell my patients, are very, very similar to having a wooden leg. They replace teeth in a way that is just sitting on your gum. So with time, your bone is resorbed and you're unable to stabilize those dentures very well. That's why you need a lot of glue, you need a lot of paste and powders to hold them in place. So here at Amazing Dental Solutions, we look at a lot of different factors that make you a candidate for an All-on-X procedure. And for the most part, if you have just the right amount of bone, we will be able to give you that option. There are different versions of All-on-X that we can do over here for you, whether it's 4, 5, or 6 implants. We can take a look at it, discuss it with you, come up with some plans and options. We can graft or we can use what you have. Whichever the case may be, we will be able to get you as something fixed long term. With an All-on-X, the maintenance is great. So the maintenance is a lot less involved. With dentures, what most people don't realize is that you do require a lot of maintenance. You have to rely on them almost yearly because your bone is constantly shrinking. You have to take them out, scrub them with soap and water and all these things to try to peel off the glue, and it's a very messy procedure. All-on-X is not like that. Just like you would if you had your own teeth. Toothpaste, toothbrush, brush it, and floss with a water pick. So with your dental implants, you come in every year to have your cleaning done. At that point, we will take some x-rays and review and check the health of your implants. And we can help guide you to make sure you can maintain it better year in and year out, and so you can have a much longer life with it. If you have multiple missing teeth or a lot of decayed teeth, come into Amazing Dental Solutions for complimentary consultation so we can give you what you've been missing for so long.